Welcome. So this will be going on the Welding channel sometime. Just not today. I got most of my episodes uploaded for right now. I'm almost finished uploading new ones. I'm going to have 2 new ones on the Welding channel here soon. But I'm going to have to wait for a day. Maybe 2, I don't know, to get them all uploaded and all such. But I didn't come here to talk about that. I came here to talk about this thing on the screen here. You might remember this from an episode a while back, from the other day. And I get what the other day means, like a year ago or so, like that. Well, this was for my phone holder while I was holding it in my hand. It did okay and whatnot, but I kind of built this. We might can build 2 more, I guess, but this is going to be for the preaching channel. I am going to paint them sometime soon. I don't know when, but I am going to paint them, I guess. But it'd be after, I say after Rolling Revival, or after spring break is over. It'd be sometime in there, I guess. We'll do preaching. But we're going to build 2 of these like that. You might can't see at an angle, but I'm going to try to cut in a slot. I should have did that in the video, but cut out a slot that we could stop and start the filmage. But I kind of wanted to talk about this, really. But this will be in the future sometime, and this piece right here, we're going to build 2 of them. Something happens with the one, I'll still have the other one, I guess. And we're going to paint them white. And white is purification or purified in the Bible. But that's all I had to talk about today, I guess, for this. So, God bless you guys. Stay warm and stay safe and stay off the roads for today, I guess. This is your host, Thunderbolt. I'll see you guys soon sometime. So, stick in tune, I guess.